a new project, we'll do what is called a feasibility check. We do analysis to see if the part is ready to be manufactured. Some of these analyses include checking for the part thickness, the draft angle to make sure that it's released safely from the mold, the part finish, the part features. After we see the part as a whole, we will make our recommendations, and sometimes we will ask the customer to make some changes, or we can do the changes ourselves. Also, on this discovery phase, we will talk to the customer and they can tell us if they want to improve anything. We can do engineering changes, we can do updates to the design, either stuff that we recommend or tweaks, or stuff that the customer wants us to improve on their design.